For the opportunity to speak. I used to be a commercial jet finance specialist. I left that career a few years ago because of problems I suffered from LASIK, chronic pain from dry eye, and reduced vision. I started several years ago a small nonprofit organization for people with complications of laser eye surgery. It's called Laser My Eye. Dry eye quickly emerged as the leading problem that we were facing from people seeking out help. As a result of that, I went on to start a company called the Dry Eye Company to try and find more resources for people with dry eye. That company runs a number of informational websites for people with dry eye syndrome. A large percentage, of course, of the people that come there are suffering from severe dry eye after LASIK, seeking out help. One of the things that we do is collect little-known products that can help people with dry eye that they're not learning about from their doctors. I missed the deadline to request a speaking slot here because I was too busy working with these patients that are looking for help after LASIK. I took a red eye here from Seattle last night because I could not tear myself off the phone. I spoke yesterday morning with a man in Arkansas for about an hour and a half who was suicidal. He was 3 months post-op from LASIK. And what he kept telling me was, Rebecca, why didn't anybody tell me this could happen? Why didn't anyone tell me how bad it could be? They told me I could get dry eye. It was on the form. I understood. But they said, we'll give you some drops. We'll give you some plugs. It'll be okay, and it'll probably go away quickly. I get these kinds of calls every day, all day long. The vast majority of my time is spent speaking with patients who are going through this, not 3 months after surgery, but 6 months, 12 months, 3 years, 6 years after surgery. People who have done everything and been everywhere. They've traveled to national and international experts, and they have not found remedies. And I don't have answers for them. There's been a lot of talk here today from the industry saying, we care, but I am not seeing the compassion. I want to see it. There are a lot of doctors here today. I wish they could be flies on the wall of my office during the day, hearing the wreckage of the patients' lives and their families that are just looking for help. I agree with the presenter that said that depression and anxiety and suicide are not, they don't come from a single factor, not just from the fact that they had LASIK. Absolutely not. It is because they did not get proper informed consent. They went through the surgery. They did not get treated properly afterwards. They wandered from doctor to doctor afterwards. No one understood their problems. They haven't had solutions to the problems. They're facing financial problems. They're facing a host of factors all related to the LASIK. It is not about the 20-minute surgery. It's about what came before it and about what has come after it. It's the lack of solutions for them. Few people understand that dry eye pain after LASIK can drive people absolutely to distraction. I can't tell you how many people I know are on short-term or long-term disability now because of this kind of pain. They need help. If the industry were interested in helping, if they are interested in helping, they need to rally around the consumer groups that are looking for help. They need to come to us with practical solutions to help. Plugs and drugs are not doing it for us. We've got people we talk to that have been everywhere. They've volunteered for every clinical trial going. They're scrounging together anything they can to just hold it together from day to day. I don't have organized notes or presentations for you today. I am simply overwhelmed with the need. I feel like a triage nurse with all these people coming, seeking help, for whom I just don't have enough answers. And that's what I'm here for today, just to appeal to you for help to prevent more of this and to help us get solutions for the people that are facing these problems from LASIK. Thank you for giving me the time.
Thank you. Mr. Roger Barnes?